Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine we use a bar top. This one that is right here, as well as the two son of that to prevent any kind of filter malfunctions with the machine. We also do check around the bowl, that's the bowl to make sure we are not leaks or anything like that, and we just service the machine. Perfect. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. We're gonna do a double, and then we're gonna run the hot water and then the steam. Now this machine takes around 6 to 10 seconds approximately before pre-infusion, depending on the settings of the machine. And after that, it will just push the water, and as you can hear the water pump. You don't hear a buzzing noise or anything like that. That was the machine was previously doing, and the water flow of the spouts is really good. Good extraction, machine as well. Good crema. You can see it's really nice color and really rich. Steam of this machine, as you can see, working perfectly fine. Nice pressure coming out of the one. Really good steam and excellent temperature as well. Hot water of this machine works really good. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. And as you can see, there's a good flow coming out of the group head. As I say, it takes around 6 to 10 seconds approximately for pre-infusion, but once those pre-infusion passes, it will start pushing a bunch of water. And as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the group head, working really great. No buzzing noises or anything like that. Working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, Breville working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.